is Imaji Praise TV, bringing the lights of God to the world.
Bishop David Abioye makes new announcement after starting his church. The founder of Living Word Conquerors Global Assembly, Abioye, Bishop David Abioye, has made a new announcement. Bishop Abioye launched 2 Sunday services on May 18, 2025, at the Los Angeles Mall in Cado, Abioye, the national capital. According to Bishop Abioye, the first service will commence at 7:30 a.m., and the second one will be 9:30 a.m.
If this is your first time of seeing our video, kindly like, share, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting videos. God bless you.
FCT, Abioye, the founder of Living Word Conquerors Global Assembly, Abioye, Bishop David Abioye, announced the launch of 2 Sunday services. Bishop Abioye said the 2 Sunday services will start on Sunday, May 18, 2025. The former vice president of Winners Chapel Church explained that the decision to start another services was due to a lack of space to accommodate the crowd. As reported, Bishop Abioye announced this during the Sunday service on May 11, 2025. Good news for every one of us. For want of space or limited space, beginning from next Sunday, we will be holding 2 services, so everybody can be comfortable. The first service will be 7:30 a.m., and the second one will be 9:30 a.m. Chosen the one that is most convenient for you.
See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you.
This is Imaji Praise TV, bringing the lights of God to the world.